Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you all a kind of a different recipe here. We're making flan. This is my first dessert video and my fiance's mom actually taught me how to make flan many years ago, and I've been making it for the holidays ever since, and it's always a hit with the family. So I'm so excited to share with you all how I make it. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we will be using for today's flan. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 cup of sugar, strawberries, an 8-inch pan, and a large aluminum tray. Let's start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and begin making the caramel. Add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water and let it boil to a medium simmer. Don't go far, as it will quickly bubble and begin to change colors, and you'll want to turn off the heat when it turns into an amber color like this. Be careful not to overcook it. Carefully pour the caramel into an 8-inch pan covering the entire base. While that settles, let's work on the flan batter by whisking our ingredients, starting with the 3 eggs, then evaporated milk, condensed milk, and a tablespoon of vanilla. Whisk it all together and pour it into your pan. We're going to bake the flan in a water bath. Grab your aluminum tray and fill it with water and place your pan inside of it. Add water into the tray until it covers the pan halfway. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. While that bakes, let's slice the strawberries to decorate the flan. This was my first time doing this, and I'd recommend pulling strawberries that are about the same length or width so that it looks more uniform when you're decorating the flan. It looks like a lot of strawberries, but it's so refreshing with the flan, and I wanted every slice to have some. Towards the end, pierce the flan with a very sharp knife, and if it comes out clean, then you know it's ready. So once the flan is ready, take it out and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and gently slice around the edge using a sharp knife. You're gonna need a large plate, and we're gonna flip it onto this plate. And voila! I ended up switching the plates last minute because I wanted a clear base, but now let's decorate this flan. And this is completely optional. I've seen before some restaurants put 1 big strawberry in the middle, but I really wanted to slice these up and give everyone a bit. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you make it at home and tag us in your recreations. Happy holidays!